please. Inside the chaotic cabin, the squirrel kids transform Chubbs into their personal bouncy castle. Glacier watches, horrified, as one squirrel shamelessly uses his ice sculpture as a toothpick. Chubbs, though flustered, admires the squirrel's boundless energy from his uncomfortable position, while Glacier vehemently declares, "This is why I don't socialize." Amidst the pandemonium, Rusty calmly attempts to lead a yoga session, only to be interrupted. And breathe in and out. Wait, Chubbs, stop eating the yoga mat. Exhausted, the bears collapse, their fur matted and their eyes heavy with weariness. Chubbs murmurs, "Never again." Glacier sighs, "I miss the silence." Rusty weakly suggests, "So, maybe just one guest at a time?" In unison, the bears roar a resounding "moo."